Oh, can you ever hear them? They know when it hits the bottom, it'll be 1990 goodbye to the 80s. Happy New Year!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey beauties, happy New Year's, and in this New Year's we're going to be slaying effortlessly. So I'm using the raw hair and we're going to get this together. I'm going to get this all the way together. We're going to make sure our lace lays like skin this year, alright? So what I'm using is my raw hair, and I'll give you guys the full deets on this hair later on, and keep in mind all details about this hair will be down below because girl, this one is a must-have. So I created a wig and I'm in love with it. I'm in love with the texture, the natural texture, and I love how this hair is just so versatile. You guys, I'm just in love, as you guys can see. But anyways, this lace though, we gotta get this controlled. We gotta get this tamed. So let's do that now. Alright, first, to achieve the skin-like lace, you would need to tint your lace. I use the Adore 109 in dark chocolate. Now, you want to go ahead and use, every cup of water, you want to use a tablespoon of salt. This is going to make sure the red hue out of the dye does not pop out. So, this is the lace color that I got afterwards. I'm very, very happy with it. I'm now doing the got to be glue method so I can lay down my lace. And girl, look at that lace lay on top of my skin. Can't nobody tell me that is not my skin. That is my flesh. It's my own flesh, hun. That is coming out my scalp. So you guys, tinting lace is a must, especially for all my girls. It doesn't matter what skin tone are you, just to customize it to make sure that it matches your skin tone. You want to make sure you tint your lace. Alright, so next up we're going to give this hair some layers, and before you kill me, the video is coming even though it's long awaited. You guys, explain how to cut is not so simple as it seems, so I'm making sure this video is perfect, and it is going to be long, so hey, I'm just giving you a lookout. I am thinking about doing like a little type of demo on live on Instagram. If you guys would like that, smash the like button. Let me know down below if that would be easier for you guys, and we could set up a time and get that done. But yeah, I'm just gonna give this hair some body right now because it's looking pretty flat, and yeah, we're just gonna customize it to my face. You know what I'm saying? So it can hug my face and not overbear my face, if that makes any sense. So after this, I'm going to be slaying my edges, and you guys know all that bit. If you guys would like to know a little more details on how to achieve your baby hairs, I'll link that somewhere along the screen right now. But I'm just going to give you guys some details about this hair right here. So raw hair, you guys, they do sell virgin hair in a super bomb quality, like exclusive. Should you get it? Should you not? Listen, you should get it. It's bomb, and right now they do have sales going on. I do also have a code, and I'll link that somewhere along the screen, and also down below. If you don't find it on the screen, it'll be definitely down below with all the deets of hair that I have on right now. So yeah, you guys, super amazing. And with all wave patterns, you know, you expect some type of shedding or tangling. With this hair, I have not got any. I've had this hair for quite some time now, and I just want to know whether or not it was worth the buy. And yes, you guys, it's worth the buy. So trust me when I say I had it for a while. So yes, beauties, it passed every test, the whole 9 yards. It's worth the buy. You should go ahead and buy it. The link will be down below. But yeah, I'm just so in love with this lace though. Look at how it just lays, you guys. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. You can't tell me that's not my scalp though. And this is the finished look, you guys. We came a long way. I mean, from this to this. Super, super gorgeous. In 2018, we are going to be slaying effortlessly with raw hair. Go ahead and pick up yours right now. The link is going to be down below. And make sure you go ahead and use my discount code to get some money off, hun. And yeah, let's slay. Let's slay out here with our skin like lace. You know what I'm saying? Our skin like lace. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, till next time, Happy New Year's.